Here's a great deal on a 2006 Lexus IS 250. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, power moonroof, and cruise control. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.